Not seen in hundreds of years is happening right now. In fact, the largest planets in our solar system, if you don't know what they are, they're Jupiter and Saturn. They will appear, at least, to align. Although they'll seem close to us, they're actually millions of miles apart. The phenomenon is known as the Christmas star because it happens so close to the holiday. Our TJ Del Santo has a full explanation of what that is right now at WPRI.com. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca joining us now, and even with a cloudy day today, Tony, it sounds like the timing might be on our side here.
It'll be, Brian, a very close call. We're still holding on to some clouds and some patchy fog, but it's been clearing over the Connecticut-Rhode Island border, so there may be a brief window of opportunity. And by the way, TJ's story is on our homepage, WPRI.com, but we'll talk a little bit about it right now, but check out his story on our website. And you can see places like Newport, with some clouds and a little bit of fog. After kind of a dreary day, we've had clouds and fog and some occasional sprinkles. But, you know, the window of opportunity on this is now through about 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. So take a look. As Brian, our astronomer, had said, the largest planets are Saturn and Jupiter. And as TJ mentions in his story, I mean, they're actually millions and millions of miles apart. But here on Earth, they'll appear to be touching. Of course, they're not stars, they're planets, but they'll shine bright like two large stars kind of bumping up against each other to give the appearance of one large and bright star. So here's the drill here. West-southwest sky, low, now through about 6 o'clock this evening. Slight chance that the clouds break a little bit. If not, you know, you can see it tomorrow night. It may not be as close, but the potential is there to see it again tomorrow night as well. We'll keep you updated. Yeah, you got the clouds and the fog in Newport, but we're seeing signs of the clouds breaking off to our west. Same deal in Providence. Low clouds right now, but it's actually clearing in nearby Connecticut. All right, in the meantime, still concerned about later tonight, much like what we had late last night, early this morning, some freezing fog. And again, later in the evening and overnight, so quite simply, the droplets of fog will freeze on your car windshield, your parking lot, the asphalt. So patchy areas of black ice possible. I don't think it's widespread, but certainly worthy enough to be in a pinpoint weather alert to give you a heads up. A lot of times the road just looks damp when actually the temperature's below freezing and it's a little icy right there. Doesn't look like much. You see the holes in the overcast? Let me widen out the view a little bit. It's going to be a very small opportunity, very small window. You see that little patch of clearing off to our west. Storm system offshore will pull away. Another one across the Great Lakes. This one will be a miss. It'll dive off to our south and pass offshore, but it will reinforce some of the clouds later in the evening and during the overnight into early tomorrow morning. It'll pull down some slightly cooler air by tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. Let me walk you through the forecast hour by hour. Here we are at 7 o'clock in the evening. While it doesn't really show it, there may be some breaks in the overcast. Only to have the clouds, though, fill back in overnight. And notice the temperatures with high humidity and fog overnight, early tomorrow morning. You know, upper 20s to low 30s, some icy spots. But then watch the sun come breaking out by late morning and early afternoon, becoming partly to eventually mostly sunny the second half of the day. So kind of a slow start, but we do see some brightening as temperatures approach the lower 40s. And then clear skies tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. So for tonight, for a couple of hours early this evening, that brief partial clearing, then clouds rolling back in. We'll watch for some of that freezing fog late. Tomorrow morning, there may be some icy spots, even though we don't have precipitation. We have some freezing fog. Clouds thinning to a bit of sunshine, and then during the afternoon, not bad. Some sun through a few fair weather clouds. Temperatures getting above freezing in the lower 40s. The storm that we're watching is actually for Christmas Eve, not so much day, but rather Christmas Eve night. A windy and warm storm. A couple of inches of rain, even the potential for some damaging wind gusts late Thursday night. It does clear out, though, by Christmas afternoon on Friday. Windy with a temperature in the 50s in the morning, dropping to the 30s.